What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. Got a pair of Yeezy creams right here. As you can see, they're very beat and dirty. I'm gonna work magic on them. Got a special plan for these. So it's gonna be a two-part, three-part video. First part is gonna be about deep cleaning these, bringing them back to the normal look, the dead stock look. And then the second part is going to be the customization video. So stay tuned, because you'll see this shoe posted twice on my site on YouTube. That's because I'm going to deep clean them real good, make them look new. Then, as I said, do a custom on them. Show you the bottom. All this will be clean as well, even though it's gonna go back being dirty. All of that will be clean. Sock liner will be clean as well. Everything on the shoe will be clean to the best of my ability. Bring them back to how it's supposed to look. So stay tuned. We'll be back, part one, with the final product. Bam, back, part two, complete. That red October, and this is fire. This is what fire looks like. I know it's been done before, but I had to do a pair personally for myself, like do it to see how it's done. And all in all, I say it turned out pretty good. Now, the only problem, the only issue, and I'm pretty sure if someone made a video on this, they won't mention it, but I will. The only thing is, of course, with dye, your dye isn't an exact match to your paint. That's the only issue. As you can see, I mean, the reds aren't that far off, but you see what I'm saying? Like, you see the sole, the midsole is brighter than the upper, which isn't an issue, but most of the time you would like for a shoe to be the same color. I mean, you can do the paint, but eventually it'll come off. But it's not that bad. I'm pretty satisfied with this. This is the second part. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on and finish these up. Then I'll be back one more time. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Red Octobers.